My name is Mrs. Finch, and this is the school greenhouse. One of the classes that I teach at Marshall High School is botany. Botany is the study of plants. Any students in grades 9 through 12 can enroll in botany class, and it counts as a science class. We also incorporate career and technical education as well as FFA leadership into the class, and we get to work in the greenhouse. The other class that I teach is zoology. Zoology is the study of animals. In addition to our stuffed animals we have in class, we do bring in real live animals for kids to study. And we talk about the careers that they could have in agriculture. In addition to teaching the agri-science classes here at Marshall High School, I am also one of the 2 co-FFA advisors. Anyone in grades 7 through 12 at Marshall Public Schools can be a part of the FFA. What is the FFA? The FFA is a leadership organization. FFA focuses on leadership, career development, and competitions. So if you want to compete, you should join FFA. And this is our room. This is one of our 3 rooms we have here to teach FFA, botany, and zoology.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Robinson and I teach chemistry here at Marshall High School. As you can see, we have one of our wonderful labs set up at this table where we've been studying ionic compounds. We'll also learn about covalent compounds and molecules such as water and the air we breathe. Throughout the year, we'll be learning lots of topics such as properties of matter, bonding, nuclear chemistry. We'll learn about atoms, chemical reactions, and you'll get to see a lot of cool demos. And you'll also learn, and everybody's favorite, some math calculations for how to figure out how many atoms are in our dishes of chemicals here. All right? Hi, it's me again. Another class I teach here is biology. So as you can see, biology is the science of life. We'll learn why we need the food we eat. We'll learn all about the cells that make up our bodies, the tissues and your organs, and also what role we play in ecosystems and the environment.
I'm Mr. Griffith. I teach biology, zoology, and AP biology at the high school. For AP biology, if you're a junior or senior, if you're interested in studying biology, if you really enjoy biology as a freshman, then AP biology would be a good choice for you. Also, if you want to major in a biology-related field in college, anywhere from medicine to environmental science, the AP biology class really prepares you for the college level biology classes, courses that you would take in college. Really looking for those students that have a good work ethic and really interested in earning college credit as well. So if you're interested, you may want to look into AP biology. Thank you.
Happy day, happy day. I'm Mrs. Kruger and I teach anatomy here at Marshall High School. Anatomy is a course that's designed for juniors and seniors with successful completion in biology and chemistry, and we study the human body. You will learn all about body systems, including all the anatomy and then the functions of all of the body parts. So it's a great class. I enjoy teaching it. And right now we're studying human bones. We have real human bones here in the classroom, which is really cool. And then we'll end the year with a fetal pig dissection. So you can see our little fetal pigs here. Okay, this is a required part of the course, but it's amazing. And if you don't think you can do it, we'll get you through it. It is very fun and you'll end up enjoying it, I think.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Stulz, and I teach physics here at Marshall High School. Most of you will take physics as a junior. We have 2 options for physics classes. You can take regular physics or conceptual physics. Both forms of physics is the study of motion. It's why things move or why they don't. And it's why the Earth does things the way that it does. If you take regular physics, there's a lot of math involved. We use math to prove why things move, and we use math to prove why things don't. We use math to prove the universe and why things end up where they end up. If you take conceptual physics, we really just focus on the concepts. There might be a little bit of math, but we're not getting as deep into things like geometry, trigonometry, or algebra 2. I can't wait to see you all next year.
Mrs. Porter. I teach chemistry and physics. In chemistry, there are 2 levels. We have the regular chemistry and then we have the conceptual chemistry. Conceptual is a little bit slower paced and a little bit less math, but we do the same topics. So anything from matter to the periodic table to the atomic structure, and even chemical bonding and chemical reactions. Okay, the other class I teach is physics. Again, there are 2. We have regular physics and then we have the conceptual. Conceptual typically is definitely a little bit slower paced, and since physics is a lot of math, we try to tone down a little bit of the math in the conceptual physics. But we teach the same things. I mean, we teach everything from motion, how cars move, all right, acceleration, velocity, speed, all the good stuff. Currently, I'm working on electricity and magnetism. So we go through and try to figure out how the electric field and the magnetic field sort of bond together.
Well, looks like you have a lot to think about. AP Bio, AP Chemistry, Physics, Botany, Zoology, Anatomy. So many options here at Marshall High School. Let's see what your future holds.